Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic and want to know how you could draw that in CorelDraw. It took me a little while to figure it out, but I figured it out and I've already made one and you can see it's almost dead on. So I'm going to nudge these out of the way. Let me get my nudge factor set on like 40 inches. I like to keep the things I've drawn just to kind of give me an example. Anyway, I am going to take an ellipse and hit P and put it in the center page, which really doesn't matter in this case. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate and then move the center rotation to that quadrant. That one, I got off of it, to that quadrant. So you know it's in the center, and then I'm going to rotate it 120 degrees and then Control D. So we have those three. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that. And I am going to put it I need to put it right. I need to grab it. I've only done this once. Grab it right there and put those two edges together. Yep. So let me do that over. So Control D or hit the plus key and grab your quadrant and move it up to that quadrant. And then Control D, that's one reason I don't like Control D. I use the plus key or Control D. I'm going to move the center rotation to the center of these three objects. And I'm going to rotate it to 0 and then Control D. And it made that kind of a weird looking shape. You would never dream that that would work. But then if you'll take your virtual segment delete key and just delete these center lines, voila, you have it. And you could do a lot with this. I'm thinking, well, I might play around with it more and make a second video on some other things you could do with it. But anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.